Picture this. It's a normal morning, you're already late for work, you turn the key and click, 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 nothing. Your battery's dead, and it completely blindsided you. Most people think a battery is fine, until the day it suddenly isn't. But what if you could see a dead battery coming weeks before it actually happens, right from your phone? Today, we're unboxing, installing, and testing the Ancel BM200 Bluetooth battery monitor. This tiny affordable gadget hooks up to your 12-volt battery and streams real-time health data, cranking voltage, and alternator charging stats straight to your smartphone. Let's see if it's worth your time or just another gimmick. The input voltage for this thing is 6 to 20 volts. It wirelessly connects via Bluetooth 4.2, it monitors voltage, battery power, and battery temperature. You can scan the QR code to download the monitoring app from Google Play or the App Store. The left edge of the box has compliance service contact info. Nothing on the bottom. The right edge has a QR code for the company's website as well as address and email information. The back of the box lists the main functions and key features as well as the product specifications. Alright, let's see what we actually get in the box. Unboxing this is as simple as it gets. First up, we have the user's manual with the app QR code. We also get a double-sided adhesive pad to mount the device. Next, we have the BM200 module. It's incredibly small and lightweight. It features an IP67 waterproof rating, meaning it can easily handle engine bay heat, rain, and snow spray. It has two forked terminal cables, red for positive, black for negative, complete with built-in safety for overcurrent and reverse polarity to protect your vehicle's electronics. Spec-wise, this works on all 12-volt lead-acid, AGM, gel, and even lithium batteries, with an ultra-low draw of just 1.5 milliamps. Translation, this won't drain your battery just by sitting there. Now for the best part, installation. You do not need to be a mechanic for this. If you can use a wrench, you can install this in under 5 minutes. No wire cutting, no splicing. Pro tip, before you touch anything, turn off your vehicle's ignition and take the keys out. Give it a few minutes for the electrical system to settle. The following content is for educational and informational purposes only. Always use proper personal protective equipment as required. Consult with a professional when in doubt or lack the required skills. I take no responsibility or liability in your actions. Any risks taken are your own. Now for some prep work. First, locate your battery and uncover the terminals. Wipe down a flat, clean surface on or right next to the battery where you know the cables will reach the battery terminals. Avoid hot moving parts like the alternator or radiator hoses. You'll need to loosen the nut on the positive red terminal clamp using your wrench. Slide the red fork from the Ancel monitor right onto the bolt and tighten it back down securely. Do not let your wrench touch any metal parts of the car frame while doing this. I have an M6 accessory nut that I can just thread on for my particular installation. Next, repeat the exact same process for the negative black terminal. Loosen the nut, slide the black fork on, and tighten it down firmly. Loose connections cause erratic reading, so make sure it's snug. Then get the double-sided adhesive pad to stick on and mount it. Route the wires neatly so they aren't pinched. Recover your terminals if they were covered, and you're physically done. Not sure if you can see down there, but it is now powered on and flashing a blue LED. With the hardware installed, let's fire up the software. If you haven't done so already, scan the QR code on the device, in the manual, or search for the Ancel app in the App Store. Once downloaded, open it up, turn on your phone's Bluetooth if it isn't already, and accept a few permissions. Tap on Login Account. I really like the fact that you can choose guest and not have to create an account. Tick the box to agree to the privacy policy and terms of service if you agree, and tap on Preferred Sign-In Method. Again, I'm going with guest. Then tap on Add Device. You don't even have to hunt through your Bluetooth settings. The app pairs with the BM200 automatically when you are within 30 feet of your car. Tap on the nearby equipment found, and enter any optional information you'd like. And tap OK. Let's take a look at the dashboard. Right here you see the exact voltage in real time. A healthy, fully charged resting battery should sit around 12.6 volts. If you check your phone in the morning and it's dipping below 12.2 volts, your battery's starting to struggle. I haven't gone anywhere since I got home from work 18 hours ago, and my battery's current state of charge is 56%. Now let's start the car. Look at the graph. It automatically logs the exact voltage drop when the starter motor fires up. With the engine running, you can see the running voltage increase to 13.8 volts on the graph. Now let's tap on cranking test. If it drops below 9.6 volts during a crank, your battery is on its deathbed. Next, let's tap on charging test. To get valid data, be sure to do as the on-screen prompts instruct after tapping on Start Testing, and tap Test. You can see the bar shoot up to about 14.2 volts in high-speed charging. This proves the alternator is successfully pumping juice back into the battery. It stores up to 30 days of data locally, so even if you're away from the car, it syncs the history the moment you're in the vicinity. It even has a trip logger and a car finder feature via GPS. Under Settings, you can set, enable, and disable various notifications, export data, and change your unit and currency. I also did check the wireless range. Right at my front door and around a brick wall, I have no connection. Walking to between 15 and 20 feet, the connection is re-established. As I back up to between 40 and 45 feet line of sight, the wireless connection drops. So, for those that have their driveway right next to a window, you should be able to sync from inside your house. That isn't the case for me, as I have a brick wall to the garage impeding the signal. So, I ran to do some errands and some grocery shopping, and as you can see, my battery has charged to 93%. Some may worry about the parasitic drain. The BM200 utilizes roughly 1.5 milliamps, which is negligible with normal use of your vehicle. It's the next day, and as you can see from the state of charge, my vehicle is at the same level as when I first installed it after sitting for 16 to 18 hours. For those wondering why my particular state of charge is low before and after installation, it's most likely due to the dashcam and battery pack I have installed with parking mode enabled. I may need to increase the cutoff voltage, which I wouldn't have known to check without this monitor. So, what's the final verdict? For the price of a couple cups of coffee, the Ancel BM200 gives you absolute peace of mind. Instead of waiting for a dashboard warning light to tell you you're already stranded, you get proactive health reports right in your pocket. It's perfect for daily drivers, but it's an absolute lifesaver for project cars, motorcycles, or RVs that sit in storage for weeks at a time. If you want to grab one for yourself, I've left a link down in the description below. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe for any future videos I upload, and drop a comment below. How old is the battery currently sitting in your car? Let's see who's riding on borrowed time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.